Guys, I still get very surprised when I find a shortcut that saves me a lot of time. So this is inside Google Sheet. I just want to show you something. So I have a journal section inside Google Sheet where I would make a little journal every morning about important stuff that happened or important thing that needs to be recorded in personal or business life. So you would generally write 7 February and then press tab. That takes the date and time. Obviously, this whole column inside of Google Sheet is formatted properly. That's why it's coming that way. Then for time, I would just go in and write, let's just say 7:17 a.m. and I'll move that way. Or sometimes I just type 7:17 and just move that automatically. And I might just type Y started early because da da da. Now, what I'm realizing is there is a shortcut that you can use, which is Control plus colon inside of Google Sheet that give you the date. You don't have to type anything. I just go. Actually, sorry. If you control it in Google, or I think it's control in Windows and Command. Let's just do it. So Command colon boom. Now, when you save so many seconds like this, imagine how much time you'd save after doing 100 times. So I do this every single day. So I'm always reminded about the power of shortcuts. I think the bandwidth, this is what Elon Musk talks about a lot as well, the bandwidth of our thinking time versus our input time. There's a huge latency because it takes us a lot of time to share or record what we're thinking. So in the meantime, we have to use shortcut effectively. So Command Shift and Command Shift. So let's just copy this one. The same thing plus colon that enters the time. Oops, sorry. Check this out. Command Shift colon. Let's do it again. Command Shift. Nope. Hang on a minute. Let's try one more time. Command and colon. Command Shift and colon. Wow. I love it. So, yeah. It's addictive. Addictive when you first learn something. It's simple, and I'm just telling myself, why haven't I learned something? This is nuances, but if you're using a tool every single day, and there are hundreds of these across all the tools that you use. There are shortcuts for Google Chrome. There are shortcuts for Notion if you're using them. There are shortcuts for your phone apps, quick launchers that you can use to save time. So, all right, if you guys are using Google Sheet, hope you find this useful. Take care, everyone. Happy Monday.